pumasok doon sa other side na yan at lumabas ulit tayo ngayon. Hi guys! Welcome to our vlogs again. How are you for today guys? Ito po yung karugtong ng part 1, part 2 natin sa road trip na sightseeing from Lohas Park o Chongpan O. So ngayon naman po ay pupunta tayo sa Kennedy Town, Chongshongwan. So sinama po tayo dito ni Sir Ricky Martinini, ang aking honey cheesy. So we have free time. He invited me to if I want to sightseeing, so that's why I joined him to do this to take the video for you guys. So ngayon itong tunnel na nakikita ninyo is between North Point and labas po natin ay Central, right? So ibig sabihin how many area na po yung ating we passing by like from Dinhao, Port Resil, Dinhao, Causeway Bay, Wan Chai, Admiralty. So ito po yung express way ng tunnel dito sa Central. So from North Point, ito po yung tunnel sa Central at pinabilis ang paglalakbay ng mga motorites dito sa Hong Kong. So that's why, tulad ng sabi ko, I'm really admire the Hong Kong government sa ginagawa nilang very nice po na pag-work dito para mas mapabilis yung mga motorites at mga nagta-travel para sa work and go back and forth sa kanilang work. So ngayon, lalabas na po tayo dito mismo sa Central. At ito po yung may sa paglabas ng IFC. Yes, so Xiongwan na po to guys, Central. Itong area naman po ito ay going to Airport Express dito sa Central. So yung ating pinuntahan kanina, Eastern, at nandito po tayo sa West ngayon. So we are here now in Shontak. Shontak po, the Central. Yeah. Shontak po station is one of the ferry pier going to the Macau. Yan, kung gusto naman yung mag-ferry to Macau, Shontak po ang inyong hahanapin. But I think they have also here the bus to going to the Macau station, but most of the time I use the ferry. So turn around and we are here now in Worldwide. Look, Worldwide House. Yan, Worldwide House po. Tumikot lang tayo galing sa West Tunnel there, from east to west. Okay, I think familiar na po yung mga iba sa atin dito. At pupunta tayo sa Xiongwan. After Xiongwan, I'm going to take the MTR back to North Point. That's life. Why you are laughing?
I bring you back home.
Ay! Wow, yo, Jollibee here. Oh, really? So, ito naman ang pagkakaiba dito sa Xiongwan, guys, ay para siya namang you cannot understand this place because so messy. For too messy. When you get out from the MTR of Xiongwan, you can smell the dried foods already, the seafoods guys, like mga tuyo. So as you can see guys, we are here now in Shontak. On the top that you can see the bridge is going to Shontak for the ferry here going to Central Piers going to Macau.
Yeah.
Yan. So, Macau Ferry. I don't like to get the Macau Ferry ngayon because too expensive. Ngayon, last time we take the bus going to Macau.
200 something.
380.
Huh?
Yeah, 480 I think. 380, something like that. They have a donut tower here. They have a donut tower there. So, kakaiba naman po yung view dito guys. Kung nakita niyo sa part 1, part 2 natin is para tayo nasa province. Here, we are in the Xiongwan and like very messy. Very messy guys. I show you later guys.
Somewhere in the back. Really full in the back.
Chumaya bag,
So many things inside.
of course. Luckily, I didn't wear a lot of things. This jacket ngayon.
Yeah.
Thai massage. Oh, they have a Thai massage here. So, Xiongwan Exit C Station. So, yeah, we're continuing our conversation, guys. Bakit ko po nasabi na a little bit messy dito? Kasi nga po ay papaligiran siya ng mga tuyo. Yung mga seafoods. Ito ay very near to the central city. Kaya basta ganun lang guys. Mamaya pagbaba natin pakikita ko sa inyo. Ito yung Western Market nila dito.
This is antique building.
Western Market, napaka-antique na po yan. Kung gaano ko katagal, yun na rin katagal yung Western Market dito. So yan na po, start na tayo yan. This is what I'm talking about guys, yan, mga dry goods. Dry goods, tapos unhappy. See? Puro siya dry goods. Smells seafoods. What? Marami but too expensive but masarap. Oh, there's interviewing there. See? No. Here. Here. Ayan guys, oh, nakikita natin. Napakaano lang kasi dito dahil yan, parang siyang divisoria dito guys. Yun yung sinasabi ko na dito sa Xiongwan ay napaka po, crowded, tapos maraming mamimili, old buildings. Kai Tak Commercial Building. Kai Tak. Oh, that is the Kai Tak Commercial Building, yung Xiongtak. Okay, no problem. So, ito po yung Western Market dito, yan. During the British colony, yung design nila. So, nagpaikot-ikot lang tayo kasi walang space. Ayan guys, oh. British colony. Oh, really? Yan no, dito pa lang paglabas natin sa likod sa bus. Marami na siyang Where's the choice? Yeah. Yeah. I remember this before. Meron din ditong service dito sa area na to. And ito po yung mga dry goods dito guys. Mabaho na at amoy ano na siya, tuyo. Yan o, amoy tuyo na siya. This is Mr. Hobay. Amoy tuyo na siya. Oh. Yan. So, ito yung mga expensive things. Meron lang dito yung puso ng saging. Puso ng saging. Oh, shark's fin. Shark's fin, guys. Ito yung mga ginagamit sa paggawa ng sabaw. Ito naman tsaa. So, ito yung area na napakalakas ng ano, bentahan, guys. Ano yung palikpik, oh. Look this palikpik. So, hanggang doon yan. Hanggang doon yan, guys. Hanggang doon. Look, hanggang dito. Different kinds of seafoods. Ginseng, oh. Ginseng. Amoy tuyo na siya sa ako.
Ở邊度咁晏啫你？遠咩啫？咁呢邊有個翻嚟嘅港人。
Yun. Yun lang, guys. Makikita natin puro ganito. Puro siya seafoods. So, yun lang, guys. And thank you so much for watching. Hopefully na nag-enjoy po tayo sa sightseeing natin sa road trip. And yeah, thank you so much. And God bless us all. Bye!